In this video, I will introduce you to my UnRaid home server. If you haven't heard of UnRaid before, I'll give you a quick overview. UnRaid is a server operating system based on Linux. It is lightweight yet powerful and can run on almost any type of hardware. However, it is not free, there is a cost associated with it. One of its standout features is built-in Docker, along with access to the Community Apps Marketplace, which offers a wide range of free and useful applications. Let's start with the main view. On the main view, you can see all your hard drives and the available space on each disk. In the share view, you can see all your shared folders. These folders can be accessed from any other computer connected to the same network. In the user's view, you can create user accounts and assign them permissions to access shared folders. You also have the ability to set different permissions for each user, ensuring customized access control. The settings view in UnRaid is where you configure and fine-tune your server to optimize performance, security, and functionality. Here are some key features you'll find in this section: CPU pinning. This allows you to assign specific CPU cores to certain applications, ensuring better performance and resource management for your virtual machines and Docker containers. Disk settings. Here, you can configure disk-related options such as spin-down timing, read/write performance settings, and file system preferences to optimize storage management. Docker setting. The Docker settings page lets you enable, configure, and manage containerized applications, including setting up storage paths and adjusting container networking. Management access. This section allows you to configure remote access, set up SSL certificates, and secure your server's web UI. Network settings. Here, you can define IP configurations, set up static or dynamic IP addresses, and manage VLANs or bonding for improved network performance. VPN management. This feature lets you configure VPN access to securely connect to your UnRaid server remotely, ensuring a safe and encrypted connection. We will go through these settings in more detail as we proceed with the installation and setup of various applications. The plugins view in UnRaid is where you can manage and extend the functionality of your server by installing additional features. UnRaid has a powerful plugin system that allows you to customize your server to fit your needs. You can browse and install official and community-developed plugins to add new features to your UnRaid system. UnRaid provides an easy way to update installed plugins, ensuring you always have the latest features and security patches. In this series, we will explore how to install and configure some of the most useful plugins to enhance your UnRaid experience. Docker View is one of UnRaid's most powerful features, allowing you to run applications efficiently. Docker containers are an excellent way to deploy apps without the overhead of full virtual machines, making them perfect for home servers. With Docker, you can easily run self-hosted apps, automation tools, media servers, and much more without the need for additional hardware. Whether you're setting up a private cloud, a game server, or a network ad blocker, Docker makes it incredibly flexible and efficient. Key features of UnRaid's Docker integration. Easy setup and management. UnRaid provides a user-friendly interface for managing Docker containers, making it simple to install, start, stop, and update apps. Community Apps Support. With the Community Applications plugin, you can easily browse and install thousands of pre-configured Docker containers, such as Plex, Home Assistant, Nextcloud, Jellyfin, and Pi-hole. Template System. UnRaid's Docker implementation includes pre-made templates, making it easy to set up and configure applications without needing complex command line configurations. Network customization. You can assign each container a specific IP address, connect them to different network interfaces, or even isolate them for security purposes. Resource efficiency. Since Docker containers share the same OS kernel, they use fewer resources than virtual machines, allowing you to run multiple applications simultaneously without slowing down your server. The Community Apps view is one of the most essential features of UnRaid, making it incredibly easy to find, install, and manage a wide variety of applications for your server. It acts as an app store for UnRaid, giving you access to thousands of free Docker containers and plugins with just a few clicks. Key features of the Community Apps. Huge app library. Community Apps provides access to thousands of applications, including media servers, automation tools, cloud storage, security apps, and much more. One-click installation. Installing an app is as simple as searching for it, clicking install, and adjusting a few settings. Categories and recommendations. Apps are well organized into categories like media servers, backup tools, network security, and home automation, making it easy to find what you need. Frequent updates. Many applications are actively maintained by the community, ensuring you get the latest features and security patches. Customizable settings. During installation, you can customize storage locations, network settings, and other options to tailor the app to your needs. The Tools view in UnRaid provides a collection of utilities designed to help you manage, troubleshoot, and maintain your server efficiently. This section includes various system diagnostics, disk management, and administrative tools that can be useful for both everyday operations and advanced troubleshooting. This tools section is essential for keeping your UnRaid server running smoothly, resolving technical issues, and performing critical maintenance tasks. Whether you're diagnosing a hardware problem, fixing a disk error, or resetting a password, this view provides everything you need in one place. The VM view in UnRaid allows you to create, manage, and run virtual machines directly on your UnRaid server. This powerful feature lets you run multiple operating systems alongside UnRaid, making it ideal for tasks like development, gaming, home lab setups. This is an example of a Docker app. I'm running a homepage app that lets me view all my installed apps on UnRaid in one place for easy access. In an upcoming video, I'll walk you through the installation process for this app. Let's open AdGuard to see what it looks like after setup. Let's go back to the dashboard view on the server. From here, you can also open your apps. Now, let's open Jellyfin, the media server. Jellyfin is a free, open-source media server that lets you manage and stream your personal media library across multiple devices. It's the perfect choice for users who want full control over their media without relying on cloud services or paying for subscriptions. You can easily install and host your website on WordPress directly on your UnRaid server. Here's an example of my website, which is hosted in a WordPress container on my UnRaid server. You can set up a personalized, ad-free YouTube experience for your kids using FreeTube, as shown here. For VMs, it's as simple as using RDP from any computer or device on the same network to connect to them. Additionally, you can also access your VMs remotely from outside your network by setting up a VPN. We'll go through this setup in detail in a separate video. For this example, I'm going to remotely connect to this Windows 10 virtual machine, which has the IP address 192.168.1.105. That's all for this video on the UnRaid server. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow to support my journey. In my next video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step setup of an UnRaid server. Stay tuned!